I am admittedly the worst type of learner there is out there in the world of education. I have no patience for the ancillary information about a product or service. I don't want to know if a sprocket was made in 1982 by the founder of a company or the evolution of a widget. It's the information that fills the pages for those who record the history of facts and figures. I don't look at the directions and I don't ask for directions when driving, thanks to my map application on my highly intelligent smartphone. However, in my 20 years as an educator, I found my disdain for non-essential information has made my motivation to teach people precisely what they need to know to complete a task at hand perfect for looking at the shortest and most direct route to train learners. I have not found anyone yet interested in sitting through 40 hours of training and an 800 PowerPoint presentation slide. I've never found them geared up and ready to go to work. It doesn't work that way for learners. There are several theories I could spout off, many of those about the learning curve and the forgetting curve, but again, more ancillary information. The truth is, we forget the bulk of what we're taught extremely quickly. Our keys, our coffee at the top of our car, our wallets, our purses, and on occasion, our kids. Our brains have mastered the ability to move on to the next thing quickly and forget why we walked into the room with our glasses on our heads while looking for the phone that we're talking on. Yet we expect when we implement a new software solution and we introduce it to our workforce that everybody needs to be onboarded in 1 week. And then there's a loss of retention, dramatic frustration, and then we put them in front of the software and they have no idea how to use it. How do you create an engaging learning experience that is memorable and sticky? You do this by making the experience hands-on and repeatable, having the learners work in an environment that closely represents their true software environment, and allowing the learners to make mistakes in a safe environment.